in Texas. So I'm about to start my day. I do every morning when I get up early. Before I go outside, usually I'm doing a lot of research on different food items and so on early in the morning, and I'm in bed doing this on my laptop. But this morning I decided I will share what I do in a day. Well, not in a day, but part of the day. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I make my coffee. I have coffee every morning. Sometimes I have 1 cup, and sometimes I have 3 cups. It depends on how I feel. I'm also gonna share with you a green bean recipe. This is one of my favorite. I love mushrooms and I love green beans, so it's green bean and mushroom side dish. So keep watching. To make a great pot of coffee, and I'm making a full pot here. You can see a spoon of water. We would use two scoops coffee grinds. Here, I added it to the top of the pot there. So now it's brewing. So I think that's probably, if you're using a tablespoon, 4 tablespoons of coffee to make a full pot of coffee. This is rosemary. I just took it off my plant outside. I plan to make some hamburgers today, some keto hamburgers. So, yeah. I love fresh herbs. It is early in the morning. I've been outside. I planted. I watered all my plants. So I decided I think I will have a cup of coffee this morning. And some green beans. I have added the mushrooms and 3 cloves of garlic to the pan. This is the 3rd clove of garlic in this pan. And I add the green beans to the pan and let them saute a little bit. These are steam cut beans. They already steamed, so they really already cooked. So all I'm doing is sauteing them so that I can get a little of the garlic flavor and mushroom flavor on the beans. And I'm going to add a half a stick of cream cheese to the pan. Add a little water, about a 4 cup of water. I'm going to add a little sea salt. Let that melt down some more. I added just a pinch of rosemary from my garden to the pan. I had added it in there earlier with the mushrooms. So I don't think I got it on camera, but I did add just a pinch of rosemary to these green beans and mushrooms. Now you see the cheese is melting. It's getting there, okay? Yes, black pepper, a half a teaspoon of black pepper. This is a really nice green bean and mushroom side dish. added another half teaspoon of sea salt, but remember to taste your food and salt it to your taste, okay? I just tasted mine and it wasn't seasoned well enough for me. And I also added another 1/4 cup of water because the green beans are not as done as I want them to be, so I'm letting them cook a little bit longer. Love you guys.